Hey everyone, this is my General Electric catalog number F15S125 12-inch 2-speed standard oscillating fan, and this was made in either the 1950s or the 1960s. What we're going to do in this video is take a quick look around this fan, and then I will give you a running demonstration of it. So, hope you enjoy. And now we will get on with the demonstration of this fan, and we will start off on low speed. And we'll bring in the oscillation. And now we'll bring it on to high. And we'll shut the fan off to watch it coast. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit that like button below. And of course, also be sure to hit that subscribe button because we will have more to come. And we will see you later.